Today I am reviewing the Sceptre new curved 24.5-inch gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a high-performance gaming monitor that combines speed, immersive visuals, and practical features, the Sceptre 24.5-inch curved gaming monitor, C255B-FWT240 Series 2025, is a fantastic choice. Designed for competitive gamers and content creators alike, this monitor delivers ultra-smooth gameplay, fast response times, and a curved display that draws you into every scene. Starting with speed and performance, this monitor features a 240Hz refresh rate, one of the fastest in its class. For gamers, this means ultra-fluid gameplay, smoother frame transitions, and a competitive edge during fast-paced action sequences. Whether you're playing first-person shooters, racing games, or fast-paced strategy games, the high refresh rate ensures you stay ahead of the competition, with reduced motion blur and buttery smooth visuals. Complementing this is a 1 millisecond response time, which eliminates ghosting and reduces visual artifacts. Colors fade and illuminate instantly, allowing you to track fast-moving objects and action sequences with precision. For professional gamers or serious enthusiasts, this is critical for maintaining accuracy in high-stakes moments. The combination of 240Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time ensures a gaming experience that is not only fast, but also precise. The 1500R curved design further enhances the immersive experience. With a curvature that wraps around your field of view, this monitor draws you into games and media content, making you feel more involved in the action. Whether you're sitting directly in front or slightly off-center, the curve provides a comfortable viewing angle and reduces eye strain over long gaming sessions. For smooth visuals and reduced screen tearing, the monitor includes AMD FreeSync Premium. This technology synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with your graphics card, delivering low latency and eliminating choppy frames. Games appear smoother and more responsive, making this monitor ideal for competitive gameplay and casual entertainment alike. In addition to its gaming features, the built-in speakers are a practical addition. While many gaming monitors require external audio solutions, Sceptre speakers deliver clear and robust sound, suitable for casual gaming, streaming, or work tasks. It's a space-saving feature that adds convenience without compromising on basic audio quality. Connectivity and design are also thoughtful. This monitor comes with 2 HDMI ports and 2 display ports, allowing multiple devices to be connected simultaneously, whether it's a gaming PC, console, or streaming device. Its sleek machine black finish looks modern and professional, fitting seamlessly on a gaming desk or in a multi-monitor setup. In summary, the Sceptre 24.5-inch curved gaming monitor offers a combination of speed, precision, and immersive design that makes it perfect for gamers and content creators. With its 240Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, 1500R curvature, AMD FreeSync Premium, and built-in speakers, this monitor provides a premium gaming experience without breaking the bank. Whether you're competing in esports, enjoying fast-paced games, or watching high-speed action movies, the Sceptre C255B-FWT240 immerses you in every frame, giving you the performance, responsiveness, and visual quality you need for an exceptional gaming setup.